How to use the 3 lasso tools in Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop offers 3 lasso tools: the Lasso Tool, the Polygonal Lasso Tool, and the Magnetic Lasso Tool. Each tool has its unique functionality for making freeform selections. Let's explore how to use each one. First, start by opening the image you wish to work on in Photoshop. Next, let's understand the 3 types of lasso tools. The lasso tools are located in the toolbar, identifiable by an icon resembling a lasso. Right-click on the lasso tool icon to reveal the drop-down menu with all 3 lasso tools. The standard lasso tool allows for freehand selections. Simply click, hold, and drag around the area you want to select. Release the mouse button to complete the selection. The Polygonal Lasso Tool is ideal for straight-edge selections. Click to create the start point and move to the next point. Continue clicking to define the selection border and double-click to complete the selection. Lastly, the Magnetic Lasso Tool is useful for outlining areas of high contrast. Click on the edge of the area you want to select and slowly trace its outline. The tool automatically clings to the edges it detects. Click to add anchor points for accuracy if needed. Close the selection by either coming back to the starting point or double-clicking. For each tool, you can adjust settings like feathering in the options bar to refine your selection. Once you've made a selection, you can cut, copy, fill, or apply adjustments to it. To deselect, go to Select, Deselect, or press Ctrl-D for Windows or Command-D for Mac. If you want to switch between the 3 lasso tools, just hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and press L. This will allow you to cycle through the lasso tools, enabling you to switch between them quickly.